Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the substitute function in Excel. Here I have the text "Please subscribe" in cell B2. Now let's write the formula. Type equals substitute. Excel will show 4 arguments. Let's understand them one by one. 1. Text, the original text where you want to make a change. 2. Old text, the text you want to replace. 3. New text, the text you want to replace it with. 4. Instance num optional specifies which occurrence you want to replace. Example. First, select B2 as the text. Now suppose we want to replace the letter E, so type E. Next, we want to replace it with M, so type M. Now for the 4th argument, we must specify which occurrence of E we want to replace. There are 3 E letters in the text. Let's type 2, then close the bracket and press Enter. Excel replaces only the 2nd E with M. Change the instance number. Now, if I change the instance number from 2 to 1, the first E will be replaced instead of the second one. If we remove the 4th argument completely, Excel will replace all occurrences of E in the text. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.